Hello everyone, I am Ruhul Amin, your principal sir in front of you after a long break of many days. Good morning if you're watching the video in the morning. Good afternoon if you're watching the video in the afternoon. And good evening if you're watching it in the evening. So, how are you all? It is lockdown period and you are locked at home. I hope you are keeping in touch with your books and not just playing and passing the time, keeping your books aside. Today is 6th April and we were supposed to start the class today for the session 2020-21. But unfortunately, because of this lockdown period, we could not do that. So I have come up with this video at least to try to teach you some of the things which are possible to be taught through the video lessons. So I will try to teach you English grammar of class 1, 2 and 3, although I will not take the classes of English classes for class 1 and 2 when the school is open. I will go through only class 3 English. Today we are going to learn about grammar because I have gone through the books prescribed for you and I have seen that in class 1, 2 and 3 you have the topic noun in all the 3 books. The first chapter of all the 3 classes is about noun. So I felt a combined video for all the 3 classes would be good enough, well enough. And at the end of the video, you will get some homework for each class separately, and you will finish or complete the homework and keep it at home in your school copy, and when the school starts, school is open, then you will bring it to school and I will check it. Now let us start the topic. Let us proceed with the topic. What is the topic today? Yes, noun. Now, before we understand what is noun, let us understand some of the basic concepts of English language. Every language has 2 forms, spoken and written. So do English language. So English language has 2 forms. What are the 2 forms? Spoken and written. I am not going to discuss any further things about spoken English, but about written English I am going to explain some of the things. Like, say if I ask you one question, what is the smallest unit or element to write English? Can you guess it? Alright. The smallest unit or element to write English is English alphabet or letter. In English alphabet we get many letters. So how many letters are there in English alphabet? I hope all of you surely know this answer. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Out of these 26 letters, there are 21 letters which are consonants and there are 5 letters which are called vowels. The next bigger thing, 2 letters or alphabets, is called word. Now the question comes to your mind, what is word? So if we go through the definition of word, a word can be a letter or a group or combination of letters which has a meaning. So there are two characteristics of a word. One is it can be a single letter or a group or combination of two to many letters. Next, number two characteristics of a word, that it must have a meaning. So let us understand this concept with an example. Say there are three letters, Z, D, O. Now if we put these letters in a manner like D, O, G, then we get a meaning. Then it's a word. But if we put these three letters, the same three letters, in a different way, like O, Z, D, then there is no meaning. And that's why this O, Z, D is not a word. Now I'll jump some of the stages or some of the stages of language hierarchy, and the next bigger thing I want to discuss a little about sentence. What is sentence? This question has already come to your mind, I think. What is sentence? Well, to understand sentence in the simplest way, we should understand it like a sentence is a group of words which are systematically arranged. A group of words which are systematically arranged and which has a sense, which has a complete meaning. Now, in a sentence there can be many words, and each word has a different role to play. So according to these roles or functions, words are categorized into many different classifications, and these classifications are called parts of speech. So each word used in a sentence is a part of speech. The first part of speech is called noun. Now let us come to our topic, noun. Before we get the definition of noun, let us go through the sentences which you can see on your screen. Rizwan is a boy, Mahira is a girl, Rose is a flower, Banyan is a tree, Becky is a river, carrot is a vegetable, an orange is a fruit, a cat is a pet animal, dolphin is a sea animal, Taj Mahal is a monument, Rahman is a doctor, cricket is a game, India is a country, Guwahati is a city, Kolgasia is a place, Assam Techno School is a school, Monday is the first day of a week, January is the first month of a year, spring, summer, winter, autumn are the 4 seasons, train is a fast transport, the earth is a planet, Indian Ocean is very vast, a spoon is a kitchen utensil, a hut is a kacha house, aeroplane flies in the air, Oliver Twist is a book, computer is an electronic machine, pen and pencil help us to write, eyes help us to see, legs help us to walk and run. Now if we observe these sentences, then the words Rizwan, Mahira, Rose, Banyan, Becky, Carrot, Orange, Cat, Dolphin, Taj Mahal, Rahman, Cricket, India, Guwahati, Kolgasia, Assam Techno School, Monday, January, Spring, Summer, Autumn, Winter, Train, Earth, Indian Ocean, Spoon, Heart, Aeroplane, Oliver Twist, Computer, Pen, Pencil, Eyes, Legs. All these words are names only, and all these names are nouns. So, what do we understand? We understand that all the naming words are called nouns. Noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. It can be the name of anything. Now, if we see or if we understand the example sentences, then we'll see that boy, girl, man, woman, these 4 words we can categorize as person, or cat, elephant, horse. These things we can categorize as animal. And other than person and animal, all others can be categorized as things. So at the end we can come to the definition of noun as anything or any word that names a person, an animal, or a thing is called a noun. Hope you have understood now what is noun, and you will have homework, and on the screen you can see the homework for class 1, and in the next slide you will find the homework for class 2 and 3. And I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something. So in the next video I will come up with the various types of noun, and which is very necessary for class 2 and 3. Thank you.